How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, day 27 of my 30-day photography challenge. Look at that. I'm actually rushing to get the bus. I'm heading down to town and spend the night with Sheena. Obviously not going to take a bicycle out in weather like that. That's where I got the puncture before. White's Mountain up at top there. Let me see. A bit treacherous, so go and get the bus here. I just walked past me there, like a style. Let's see if I can catch him. May not be interested in getting his photograph taken. Let me just see. Well, he's got long enough legs, he's taller than me. I'm not going to catch up on him. Let's see. Now you might say no, but we'll just see what the crack is. Take a candid shot, or like take a let me just say, couldn't hurt. I've got the headphones on, so you might not be able to hear me. Don't tap them from the back. See, excuse me, brother. Hiya. I'm a street photographer. Okay. Can I get a photograph of you? You look fantastic. Cheers, brother. Just as you are there. In fact, could you come over here first? What do you want to do? Nice, 2 seconds. Thank you. Love your style. Great style.
Thank you. You want to take it off this?
Yeah, please. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll throw it. Hold that. Thanks, brother.
Take it off the garage?
Yeah, take.
What do you want to do?
That's great, brother. Just you here. They just turn on to me. Yeah. That's brilliant. Perfect like that. Okay, 1 second. Just wait there when the people go behind you. Okay, I'm just waiting. Okay, here we go. Tell you 1 second. That's brilliant. Turn your head slightly towards this way. That's wonderful.
Look at the camera.
And looking at me, yeah, perfect.
Oh.
You living in Belfast?
Yeah. On the Facebook or Google?
Rambles from the camera. Facebook also Rambles from the camera. Okay, so brother.
Thank you very much.
Lovely, brother.
Thank you very much.
Lovely meeting you. Thank you. Have a good day. There you go, guys. What a cool fella, I have to say. So you've told me he's a photographer. I give him a business card and he's going to contact me, and I'm going to put the links. Obviously I'm not going to be able to, unless he contacts me tonight, I won't be able to put the links to his social media platform. But I say, well, as soon as I will, I'll update him. What a lovely guy. Great style with him. Loves his hair. Shades. There you go. Happy days. Always ask. They can only say no. You know. Aye, here we are. Let's head down. Belfast City Hall over there. I go down here to get the bus to Sheena's, so a bit rushing. So guys, listen, thanks very much for watching. I'm going to wrap this up here. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. That's a bus over there. That's okay, it hasn't opened yet. That's good. That's where I'm going there. What if a false alarm back, can I say? So guys, listen, I'm going to wrap this here up. Going over to Sheena's. We're going to take wee Measle up till the vets, and you know, just for his wee check-up, so I hope everything's okay. So guys, listen, send you love from Belfast. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me out on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and Flickr and all that jazz. All the links are down below. I'll catch you in the next video. Okay guys, so great news. We took wee Measle up to the vets, and the vet was very, very pleased with his progress. He's still on tablets, still on medication, but all the wee crystals seem to have gone. He's going to the toilet okay, so the vets were said we're going to have to keep him on till a particular type of diet. But basically the great news is that he's doing fantastic. It's just great to get him home, but he gets stressed out obviously when he gets into the vet. So Sheena's giving him a bit of mommy cuddling. He's a character. Look, he went underneath the computer. I think he was looking for the mouse, but no, so he stayed under there during the, you know, the vet had to go and get him obviously, and to put him back in his wee box to take him home. But it was great, and the vet was fantastic. Really, really nice, gentle energy. He was very great with him. So you go, guys. Okay, Mo, can I have my camera back? Can I have my camera back? Mo's a photographer. In a past life, he was a Magnum photographer. I'm not going to say Henri Cartier-Bresson. But look at him. Can I have my camera? No. You're a character, son. Let me see your black paws. Hey, look at them lovely black paws, look. Oh, that's a boy. No. That's a boy. I know, son. You're the best boy ever, aren't you? Don't tell your brothers I said that, though. I know, baby. He's adorable. Like a wee dog, actually. Strong as an ox. I know. There's some. I know, baby. He's back to sleep there. Hey? Nervous tail thing. He's saying, leave me alone. Let me go back to sleep. Okay guys, so listen, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all your lovely comments and support on the channel, and also your kind wishes towards wee Measle. So guys, listen, check out, there's only 2 more videos left before the video 29, vlog 29. We're going to make it a wee announcement, a wee draw for a wee photograph. Just my wee way of thanking you. So watch out for that video, guys. Thanks very much. It's late in the evening here, so send you love from Belfast, and I say thanks again for all your love, all your support, and all your comments. I know I haven't got commenting on all of them, but I've certainly read them all. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Send you love from Belfast.